Here I have Nokia 5310 2020, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, firstly you have to remove back cover from your device. Then you have to remove battery. And here you have the slot for the SD card. Just put it in here like this. And here you have these two slots for the SIM cards. And you have to put it just like this. And to put battery back in, and back cover too, and turn your device back on by holding this decline call button. As you can see, it requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.